we go. Woo! Guys, we're popping bottles up in here. Yes, look at that gorgeous dry Prosecco. Cheers! I've had this many times. It's a pretty tasty dry Prosecco. It's called Josh. Easy to remember. You're probably wondering what we're toasting. Well, guys, today I have a very, very exciting announcement for you. I've been waiting on pins and needles to tell you about this. I'm here to tell you about Cate the Great Beauty and BK Beauty. I'm honored to tell you that we are collaborating on a very special brush collection. I've never, collaborated or had any kind of a collection at all. So this is a big deal. So if you guys don't know what BK Beauty is, I mean, I guess you're basically living under a rock. But if you watch my channel at all, I'm pretty sure you know exactly what BK Beauty is because I use their brushes every single video, every single day. BK Beauty is a brush company that was started by the fabulous, the generous, the kind, the lovely, the all-around angel person by the name of Lisa J Makeup. She also has a fantastic YouTube channel. If all I had to talk about was just these brushes, that would be enough. But oh wait, there's more. This is a brush company with a purpose and a mission, and I want to quickly just tell you what that is. With every BK Beauty purchase, a donation is made to an organization called the Kindness Campaign. Now, I'm reading directly from the website because I don't want to get this wrong. So this is a nonprofit that provides positive and accessible tools that promote emotional health. The Kindness Campaign is a mission to create societal change by teaching emotional awareness, empathy, and community building, and most importantly, the development of self-image starting as early as 3 years old. So not only are you getting an incredible product with these brushes, which I'm gonna go through my bundle in just a second, but you're also supporting a fantastic nonprofit. BK Beauty has been around for over a year now, and she's just killing it. She's nailing it to the damn ground. With my collection with BK Beauty, I got the opportunity to choose my 5 favorite brushes. Drum roll, please. Here she is. This is the collection, the bundle in all her glory. I also want to let you guys know that BK Beauty is kind enough to sponsor a giveaway for 5 lucky subscribers. So I'm going to talk about the details of the giveaway at the end of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and just go through each brush, tell you a little bit about them. I also want to let you know that I did use all of these tools getting ready for this video today. The first thing in the bundle I want to talk about is the beauty sponge. I was a die-hard beauty blender person. I was like, I don't want anything else. Nothing else can compare until I discovered the BK Beauty sponge. I do have foundation brushes that I use occasionally, but I keep coming back to this because this sponge gives me the most natural, the most airbrush, the sheerest application of foundation I can find. As you can see, when it's been put under water, it's very, very large and velvety and gushy and spongy. I swear I did clean this, but y'all, I use this every single day, so I'm sorry that it doesn't look like 100% pristine. I did my best. Here's an example of how well I feel like this shears foundation out. I used the Rare Beauty foundation today. I used this foundation yesterday, and I used just a regular foundation brush to apply it. By the end of the day, I felt like the foundation just wasn't wearing very well. I felt like it was kind of breaking apart, and I was surprised because I really love this foundation. Well, it's all about the application because today I used this sponge to apply this. As you can see, my skin, it just doesn't even look like there's any foundation on it. This is just a testament to how important application and application tools are because this foundation is like a different foundation today because I used this sponge to apply it. This is so smartly designed. So basically I'll use the base to go ahead and apply all my foundation, make sure it's blended in. Then I will use the very, very tippy end and I will squinch it, and then I will get in all the nooks and crannies under my eye and apply my concealer. Then it has this lovely curved part to it, which means that you can get right up there under your jawline. Before I move on to brushes, I want to let you guys know that BK Beauty brushes are all synthetic, and these are the softest damn synthetic brushes you will ever find. Also want to let you guys know that BK Beauty is 100% cruelty-free vegan fiber. I would be remiss. This would not be a Cate the Great times BK Beauty collection if I did not include the BK Beauty 102 large powder brush. Guys, you know I love this brush. This is AKA the bunny on the face brush. I called it that one time because, well, it literally feels like there's a bunny on your face. This brush is what I use every single day. Oh, it's so soft. I'm sorry, I'm just taking a moment. This is what I use every single day to set my foundation. Because this brush is so soft and flirty, this is also a great way to just dust away any excess powder. I literally want to just like cuddle with this brush. Is that wrong? It's really hard, but I have to pull myself away from this and move on to the next brush. Moving on to the 108 Precision Powder Brush. I use this brush every single day. It does have two uses and they're both fabulous. At this point, this is the only tool I use to apply my powder highlighter. That is how strongly I feel about it. In fact, I feel so strongly that I'm gonna put some more highlighter on right now. When I discovered this brush, I basically gave away my fan brushes. I mean, I love to fan brush. This is just so soft and it's the perfect way to flawlessly blend in a highlighter and make it look like, you know, you're lit from within, like it's coming from your skin. And I just feel like I can keep blending and blending and it gets more pearlescent. I just love this as a highlight application tool. The second way you can use this is to set your under eye. It is a perfect fit. You can get right up underneath your eye. This has highlight on it, so I don't want to actually try to do that right now. I have used it for that purpose as well, and it is fabulous. In fact, I feel like I probably need a second one of these so that every day I can have a highlight brush and a brush to set my under eye with. After I've used highlighter, what I'll also do with this, because you know, I'm lazy, whatever eye look I'll do, you know, you wanna hit that brow bone with just like a little bit of highlight, right? I'll just take this and just like go over my entire eye and it always looks, I mean, it looks flawless. So those are the complexion tools in my bundle. Now I'm going to move on to some eye brushes. So this is the BK Beauty 206 Blending Shader Brush. This is an all over shader brush that can double as a blending brush for those quick makeup days, the perfect brush for travel or minimalist. So that's why I chose this brush, guys, because this is my go-to. You guys know I love a one and done. I know this blue eyeshadow look looks like a little bit more than what I normally do, which is true, but it actually is a one and done. That's kind of the reason why I chose a blue eyeshadow today, because I wanted to show you blue eyeshadow is a little bit intimidating, am I right? Well, not when you have one of these babies, because this is all I used and it applied gorgeously. It applied gradually and basically just looks like a stunning watercolor eye. Like I said, it's great for travel. I would just probably pack this and go, honestly. A lot of shimmery and metallic shadows, I will tend to apply them with my finger, and then I'll use this brush to just go over it and make sure everything is blended. And I wanted to pick one eyeshadow brush that could kind of do it all, and I feel like this is definitely it. And last but certainly not least is the tiniest brush I have ever seen. This is the smallest brush in the collection. This is the BK Beauty 208 Precision Angled Brush. So the winged eyeliner I did was also very purposeful today because I used this brush to do my winged eyeliner, and I cannot tell you how much simpler it made the process. This makes doing like a tiny baby winged liner, a tiny cat eye, so simple. Today I just dipped this into a gel eyeliner and went to town. Came out flawless. So I'm quoting this from the website. It says you can use this with shadow, gel liner, or to extend a kohl pencil and achieve eyeliner perfection. You can also use this little baby as a brow fill brush. I know a lot of people are really intimidated by eyeliner in general, especially doing any sort of a wing, and this brush makes the process so easy. So let me give you the lowdown on some price details. So this collection retails for $95. That's actually 15% less than what it would be if you purchase these brushes on their own. So if you do purchase my bundle, you're basically getting it for 15% off, and on top of that, I have a code for you. The code is Cate10, and if you enter that at checkout, you will get 10% off of your entire purchase. As I said in the beginning of the video, there is a giveaway. So 5 very lucky subscribers will be receiving this bundle. It's very simple to enter the giveaway. All you have to do is leave a comment down below in the comment section, and I'll use a random comment picker to pick 5 winners. This giveaway is only available to people in the US. However, I do want to let you know, because I have gotten a lot of questions about this in the past. BK Beauty does indeed ship internationally. internationally. So all of my international friends, I got you. Of course, all of this good stuff is going to be found in my description box, the details of the giveaway, the bundle, all that. All right, guys, so that wraps up this video. I want to thank BK Beauty so much for extending this opportunity to me. I am beyond excited, beyond grateful. Cate the Great and BK Beauty bundle, good job. If you guys are new to my channel and you have not subscribed, I would love for you to join the Cate the Great Beauty family and hit that big old red subscribe button right underneath this video. Give it a thumbs up and also hit that notification bell because that will let you know anytime I put out a new video.